In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving messages on WhatsApp without blocking them. So if somebody is being annoying, but you don't want to block them because then they will know that you have blocked them, you need to open up first WhatsApp. And once you open up the WhatsApp, find the person you want to mute and just go from the right to the left, click on more and then click on mute. And then you can choose 8 hours, 1 week or always. If you choose 8 hours, it will automatically unmute them. If you do always, you have to manually come back here and unmute them. And people who you have unmuted have this like bell that's crossed. So if you want to unmute them, go here and mute, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.